National Institute of Technology, Silchar is one of the 31 National Institute of Technology of India and was established in 1967. The greenery all around, the numerous lakes and ponds, including the Indy Lake, contribute to make the NIT Silchar campus life feel like one is actually at a holiday destination. In addition, the tea gardens located just outside the campus takes one's breath away. The best part is that this entire picturesque landscape spans all over the huge campus of an area of 625 acres. A lot of stamina will be needed to explore the entire campus in one trip. Facilities like laboratories, digital classrooms, Wi-Fi and canteen are available in our department. Hostel rooms contain Wi-Fi, table, chairs, etc. Wonderful buildings. Well-designed academic buildings. A lush green environment with more than 20 lakes within the campus only. Computer labs are air-conditioned. The food served in the mess is very good with a variety of menus of both veg and non-veg. The outside view from the balcony is very beautiful, but the view from the hostel terrace is exceptional. Classes are super clean and sanitized. NIT Silchar stood 6th in India in environment-friendly campus. Sports and medical facilities are also good. Football ground, cricket stadium, basketball, badminton, squash courts are also available. You will definitely love when you come to this college. The most interesting part of NIT Silchar is its digital library. NIT Silchar also has the largest digital library in Asia, named after former President Bharat Ratna APJ Abdul Kalam. It is also the largest library among all the NITs, IITs and GFTIs in India. It was inaugurated on the occasion of 55th Teachers' Day, that is 5th September 2016, by the then Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Sarbanandan Sonowal. The NIT Silchar Placement Cell facilitates training and placement and work towards the overall development of students. The NIT Silchar Placement Cell is equipped with excellent infrastructure to support the placement process. It has an auditorium for seminars and pre-placement talks. There are fully furnished rooms for group discussions and interviews, a fully computerized office and computer labs devoted to training and placement. The placement scenario is very good. Most of the students are placed in IT companies, but for core companies, competition is very high. In Computer Science and Engineering branch, almost 100% of students get placed with an average package of 10 lakhs per annum. The highest package went up to rupees 35 lakhs per annum at NIT Silchar placements. Don't worry, the video can't be concluded if we do not talk about the technical fest of the college. The most important part of the college is its technical and cultural fest. Incandescence is the annual cultural fest of NIT Silchar. It is one of the most awaited events of the college. Darshan Rawal, Gajendra Verma and Rahat Induri etc. also sparkled the incandescent night in recent years. Technosis is the technical fest. Various events like robotics, paper presentation, quizzes, and lots of exciting events takes place for a span of 3 to 4 days. I am sure that if you once see how this fest is conducted, you will definitely fall in love with this college. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.